KIIS School, where young minds grow and potential shines.
Good morning, teacher and all my beloved classmates, ladies, gentlemen, and the judges. It is an honor to stand here and do presentation in front of all of you. Today we're going to talk about our project called The Beach and Hotel. But before we start, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Ang Pen Yani.
My name is Sun Nari.
My name is Kim Hua.
And my name is Sawang.
Since you have already known our name, we would like to start giving details about our project. Let me start first. Here's the beautiful beach and hotel. The sun is warm and bright. The waves are blue and makes a gentle sound as they touch the shore. Many people can walk, play, and swim in the water. There are two boats where fishermen can go on a ride to catch fish, and many people can go on a ride to explore the ocean. There are many types of sea animals in the ocean, like whales, shark, seahorse, starfish, and many more. They can be dangerous, safe, and you can eat them.
Now let me continue with my friend. Near the beach there is a big hotel. The hotel is tall and has many rooms with balconies. Some room has the view of the sea. People stay in the hotel to relax and enjoy with the beach. At night, the hotel light shine and make the place look warm and welcoming. In front of the hotel, there are bushes filled with flowers.
On the beach, there are two chairs and two tables. The chairs are near the table. There is one tall coconut tree next to them. The sun is bright and warm. Behind the beach, there is a hotel. It is big and nice. People can sit on the chair, enjoy the view, and relax under the coconut tree.
The hotel has two floors. On the first floor, there are two rooms, and on the second floor, there are two more rooms. Near the hotel, there is a coffee shop. People can drink coffee and eat snacks there. There is also a parking lot near the hotel. Cars can stop and park there. It is a nice place for people to stay, drink coffee, and park their car. Moreover, all the rooms are very comfortable for sleeping and relaxing here too.
Before we end the presentation, I would like to ask you a question. Have you ever thrown plastic bags in the ocean? If yes, we would like to ask you. We would like to give you information. You shouldn't throw plastic bag in the ocean. Because why? Because all the turtles are dying because of the plastic bag. Many turtles thought the plastic bags are jellyfish. Many turtles eat jellyfish because it's their meals. And some of the plastic bags can be jellyfish to them. So we would like to say, please don't throw plastic bag in the ocean. Finally, this is the end of the presentation. We would like to thank the teacher, gentlemen, ladies, and everyone who have listened to our presentation. Thank you.